Hello viewers, Instagram Reels not playing. In this tutorial I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. First of all, go to settings. Now scroll down and find apps option and click on it. Now click on search bar and search for Instagram. Now click on Instagram. Scroll down, click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Now click on force stop. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Go to Play Store. Now click on search bar. Search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram app if it available. Now go back to home screen again. Now restart your phone for power off and on. After all these steps, now open Instagram. See, problem solved successfully. In this way, you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.